Well, hello everyone, it's me Chanel here, and today I have a DIY floral centerpiece for any space in your home, office, wherever it is that you have the desire to see perhaps a floral. And this is the video for you. And as many of you know, I love to make floral arrangements, and if you don't, now you do, especially with the colors creams and greens. This particular arrangement is not for myself who is purchasing it. And of course, you'll need a few simple supplies, a vessel to hold your centerpiece, and you could do this with faux or real flowers as well. I'm using 2 hydrangea bushes, and you will need some floral foam and some filler or some greenery, as you can see that I have here. You will also need some wire cutters since they are faux, to cut the different branches or the flower blooms from the bushes. Now here I'm going to take the vase and just place it on top of the floral foam and press it down just to get an indentation of the width that I would like the floral foam to be placed inside of the vase. And then I'm just going to use the knife and score it. Pick up the vase, of course, the vessel, and cut it to size. Now once I have cut the floral foam to size, I will just press it down firmly inside of the vase. Now here you can use some glue and seal it so that it won't come out. But as you can see here, press firmly and it doesn't move at all. Now here I'm showing you just where I'm going to take the hydrangea bushes and cut them all the way down to size. Now of course you will cut your plants or your flowers according to the height that you are going to, or that you desire the arrangement to be. If you want it tall, you'll cut them at that length, and if you want them shorter, of course you'll cut the stem down even shorter. And I'm just going to place them on either side of the vase, the cream, and then I'm going to move forward and place the green on the other side. Now once I have placed all of the florals in the vase, as you can see here, the middle portion of the vase is still void of any flowers or greenery. So now we will place the foliage from the branches that I did cut around the outer perimeter of the vase or the vessel. And this is to give it a more realistic appearance with the foliage. You can leave them in or you can leave them out. It is a personal choice here. I'm just giving you an example of how I made this particular arrangement.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know,
Now I'm going to take the greenery and place it in the voided space that was in the center of the vase. Now, instead of using it in its compacted form, I fanned it out in a more flatter form, as you can see, so that it stretches all the way across and down the middle of the entire arrangement, as you can see here. Now I'm going to let you just finish watching the entire video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit that subscribe button. This has been Chanel, and I'll see you all in the next one.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.